Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Specifically, if you're attempting to sign into your computer and you're coming across an error message, say something went wrong, we couldn't sign you in, the request is not supported with the error code 0x80090002D. So the error is mainly associated with sign-in process for users that access their system using their pins. It usually shows up after the system wakes up from sleep or hibernations. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable sleep mode and reset your PIN. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong control panel at dito lang sa top right corner, and i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung category. And next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung hardware and sounds. So, tap mo lang yan. And dito sa hardware and sounds, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power options. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa power options, so ang gagawin natin dito is to change plan settings next to your current power plan. So, ito yung ating current power plan, and then next dito ay ito yung balance plan. So, kailangan mo lang i-tap or i-click dito yung change plan settings dito sa right side. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa change settings for the plan, and then select mo lang dito yung put the computer to sleep. So, dito sa on battery, so click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And select mo lang dito yung never. And then dito naman sa kanyang plug-in, ay click mo yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung never. Alright, and then i-click mo lang dito yung save changes. Okay, so after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset your PIN. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the start menu and select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito sa left side menu, and select mo lang dito yung accounts. At dito sa right side, I scroll down. And then under dito sa account settings, I select mo lang dito yung sign in options. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa sign in options, and select mo lang dito yung PIN or ito yung Windows Hello. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito ay kapag naka-create ka ng pins ay kailangan mo lang i-forgot and kailangan mo mag-create ng new pin. So to create new pins, so click mo lang dito yung setup. And then kailangan mo lang i-enter dito for verifications kapag meron kang ganito sa inyong computer. And then click OK. And pwede ka nang mag-start dito na mag-create ng new pin. Enter mo lang siya and then confirm pin. And then include letters and symbol. Check mo lang tong box and click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to delete the NGC folder. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung File Explorer. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong File Explorer, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung this PC. At dito sa right side, dito lang sa devices and drives. So select mo lang dito yung C drive. So ang gagawin mo dito ay select and double click. And then ilocate mo lang dito yung Windows. So select and double click. And dito sa Windows ay select mo lang dito yung service profile. So scroll down ka lang. At hanapin natin dito yung service profile, so select and double click ulit. And dito sa service profile, select mo lang dito yung local service, so select and double click. And next step ay kailangan mo lang ilocate dito yung app data. So kapag wala kang nakitang app data dito, ang gagawin mo lang is dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung see more na tatlong dot, so click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung option. And dito sa kanyang folder options ay select mo lang dito yung view. And then dito sa advanced settings ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung show hidden files. Yan na yung select mo and click apply and click mo lang dito yung OK. para makita mo dito at mag-appear dito yung app data. Alright? So once na kita mo na dito yung app data, so ang next step ay select and double click ulit. And then select mo lang dito yung local. So select and double click. And then kailangan mo lang ilocate dito yung Microsoft. So select and double click. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang ilocate dito yung NGC folder. Okay, ito siya. So ang gagawin natin dito is select and right click ka lang. At kailangan mo lang itong i-delete. Okay? So click mo lang itong delete. Alright, so after dito, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to use the system file checker. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym /online -image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan, Ctrl+C. And then i-paste natin dito, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, the restore operations completed successfully. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 0x8009002D error when you sign in using PIN or password. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.